Hi friends, welcome back to another video. I know I've been MIA for a while, but I want to explain and I want to say hi and let you know that I'm back and I want to start posting recipes again. Now, lately I've just been exploring other creative outlets for myself that make me happy, but I do miss posting here and making recipes for you guys, and I have had lots of emails and lots of messages asking when I was going to make another recipe. So I do want to talk about a few new changes to the channel. And by changes, what I mean is in recent months, I have only been posting whole food, plant-based, oil-free recipes for you guys. And that kind of restricts my creativity because I also have a vegan family who doesn't eat strict whole food, plant-based, oil-free, and I'm not able to share those recipes because it's not something that everybody here wants to follow along with. So a few changes that I'm making to the channel is I want to be able to post what I'm making for my vegan family because I do come up with great recipes for them as well. So I want to be able to share those with you guys, but I'm going to offer you guys modified versions. So for instance, today I'm going to be making a pasta salad and show you guys how I make it vegan, but how you can modify it to be whole food, plant-based, and oil-free. So I appreciate each and every one of you for still following along and understanding because, like I said, I don't want to be restricted in my creativity and I still want to show all these whole food, plant-based, oil-free options for you guys because you know that's something that I'm very passionate about. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video and I'll show you what I made today. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I throw together a quick pasta salad. Now, I'm going to be using this chickpea flour pasta. That's the only ingredients is chickpea flour, but you could use any kind of pasta that works for you and for your dietary needs. So I'm going to go ahead and boil up that pasta. I'm going to drain it. I'm going to rinse it off with some cold water so that it can cool and we can get to adding all of my ingredients into my pasta salad. Pasta salad is such an easy dish to throw together and it's great as a side, but you can also make it a meal, which is what I was doing on this day. So I used my chickpea pasta, which was already full of protein, but I decided to add some chickpeas to it as well. You could add any type of bean to your pasta salad. Get creative with it, get fun with it. These are just rinsed and drained chickpeas. And then I decided to add in some shredded carrots. I was kind of trying to use up what I had in my refrigerator. I had some leftover bell pepper and some celery that I chopped up. And then I'm going to add in some cucumber. And then I also blanched some peas because peas is one of our favorites around here inside of our pasta salad. And so after I blanched those, I just rinsed them and allow them to cool down so that this is ready to eat once I serve it, but you can also put it in the fridge and let it cool for a couple hours or overnight. So once I add all my vegetables, I just get that all mixed together and then we're going to work on our dressing. So like I said, I'm going to make a vegan dressing, but you can modify this to whole food, plant-based, oil-free. For my family, I'm going to be using the Follow Your Heart mayonnaise, but I will link in the description box below my tofu mayo recipe, and you can use that recipe to make this dressing. So for my dressing, like I said, I'm not going to give you a recipe because it's really easy. You just want to do equal parts, either mayonnaise or a compliant mayonnaise, a tofu mayonnaise, and Italian dressing because we're making a creamy pasta salad. And then you just want to season it to your liking. So I like to do Italian seasoning, and I'm going to do some oregano, some basil, some parsley, some salt, some pepper, and then I decided to add in some Green Goddess seasoning from Trader Joe's. It's a favorite of mine right now. Everyone in the house absolutely loves it. But you could add some onion powder or garlic powder to this. Again, to make this compliant, you're just going to use a tofu mayonnaise and you're going to use an oil-free option for Italian dressing, which you could make yourself, or you could purchase at Whole Foods or Sprouts. They both have store brand options of oil-free Italian dressings, and those work perfectly for this. So I'm just gonna add my seasonings, mix this up, and then I'm gonna toss it over this pasta salad. And it's really that simple. So I just toss this over my salad and then I'm just going to mix it all together. You can let this set up in the refrigerator for a couple hours or overnight. It's usually good for about 3 days in the refrigerator. Just make sure you mix it again before you serve. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to throw together a pasta salad. It's summertime. It's really hot outside right now. So these nice, cool, refreshing meals are great. It's a nice way to get in a ton of vegetables as well. I know in my house, I like to keep a pasta salad in the fridge every day during the summertime because it is a great way to have a quick meal on hand that's nice and cool when it's hot and you don't want something heavy, but it's also a great way for everybody to get in their veggies. So if you have any questions, of course, always leave them down in the description box below. I'd be happy to answer them. I'm always here if you have any questions about a vegan or whole food plant-based oil-free diet. But yeah, I hope this gave you some inspiration to go out and make a pasta salad your own and showed you how simple and easy it is to just throw one together. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video soon. Bye!